Class 10, Chapter 9, Tangents and Secants to a Circle. Exercise 2, fifth problem. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point of 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. Verify by using Pythagoras theorem. Draw a circle with a radius of 6 cm. I am using one hand and drawing. Somewhat try to understand the problem. Draw a circle with radius of 6 cm as shown 6 cm. Now drawing a circle. एक सर्किल ड्रा कर रहे हम लोग रेडियस ऑफ 6 सेंटीमीटर लेकर ఒక సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం రేడియస్ 6 సెంటీమీటర్ తీసుకొని I am using one hand for drawing, one hand I am shooting with one hand, therefore it's getting problem for me to draw. Okay, this is a circle with a radius of 6 centimeters. Draw a line segment of 10 centimeters. See here 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters away from the center of the circle to the external point P. I'll write here point P in Hindi. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक 10 सेंटीमीटर लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रा करना ఇక్కడ నుండి సెంటర్ పాయింట్ నుండి ఒక 10 సెంటీమీటర్ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ డ్రా చేయాలి here mark it as O and here mark it as P. now draw the perpendicular bisector for OP. OP को perpendicular bisector ड्रा करना OP की perpendicular bisector ड्रा చేయాలి with half by the radius. रेडियस हाफ से ज़्यादा लेना ये लाइन सेगमेंट है ना this is a line segment. From this line segment you should take, suppose you think this is a half, you should take half above. In this part you should take the radius without measurements. ये हाफ से ज़्यादा लेना हाफ है ना ये हाफ से ज़्यादा लेना ఈ హాఫ్ అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి ఈ హాఫ్ నుండి ఎక్కువ తీసుకోవాలి ఈ ప్లేస్లో తీసుకోవాలి నౌ సి by taking half by the radius draw the perpendicular bisector ड्रा कर रहा हूँ मैं देखो again O as the center with the radius same radius intersect the previous arc. Suppose C1 it did not intersect means again you should intersect with the P. Afterwards you should join this point and this point. You should join these 2 points. Join these 2 points, it bisects at M. We'll write here M. M as a center with radius of OM and MP will draw a circle. M center OM MP रेडियस लेकर हम लोग सर्किल ड्रा कर दे M अने सेंटर తీసుకొని ఈ OM MP रेडियस తీసుకొని మనం सर्किल ड्रा చేస్తాం. See here M as a center with radius of OM and MP. this radius हम लोग लेना ये रेडियस लेकर ఈ रेडियस తీసుకొని మనం డ్రా చేయాలి सर्किल. Now mark it as here the circle touches the previous circle. The circle touches the previous circle and point A and at point B. Now join this PA and PB are the required 2 tangents. See here the circle touches a circle intersect the previous arc. The circle intersect the previous circle at 2 distinct points. Name it as A and B and join PA and PB and also join OA and OB. हम लोग M से सेंटर लेकर हम लोग सर्किल ड्रा कर रहे तो ये सर्किल है ना दूसरा सर्किल को टच हो रहा है यहाँ पर పాయింట్ ఏ समझ रहे हम పాయింట్ బి समझ रहे మన ఎం నుండి ఎం యాజ్ సెంటర్ తీసుకొని సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేసినాం సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేస్తే ఈ ప్రీవియస్ సర్కిల్కి ఇక్కడ టచ్ అవుతుంది టచ్ అయితే దీన్ని ఏ అనుకుంటున్నాం ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ బి అనుకుంటాను हम लोग ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं PA and PB are the tangents. PA PB and 2 tangents. Again OA OB also we should join and I'll show. See here joined OA and OB. Now this is 90 degrees and this is also 90 degrees. Now by taking triangle OBP or else OAP, I'll take triangle OAP and I'll prove the problem. Now your radius is O is the radius of the circle 6 centimeters and OP is 10 centimeters line segment. This is up to your radius is 6 centimeters, remaining part is 4 centimeters. The total length of the line segment is 10 centimeters. Means see here, this is a triangle C. This is a triangle. One side is 6 centimeters, other side is 10 centimeters. We should find AP. Verification from the figure. OP is equal 10 centimeters, OA is equal 6 centimeters, AP is equal how much? OP is equal 10 centimeters, OA is equal 6 centimeters, AP tangent is equal how much? According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, or else hypotenuse square is equal base square plus perpendicular square. OP square is equal OA square plus AP square. Here OP square, hypotenuse square is equals to base square or side square plus side square. OP square is equal OA square plus AP square. But here already OP square is equal, I wrote OP square is equals 10 means OP is equals 10. OP square means 10 square. OA is equal 6 square. Here OP is equal 10 square, as to write 10 square. OA is equal 6 square plus AP is equal, we don't know, AP square as it is will write. Now by transposing both sides, first we will write 10 tens 100, 10 into 10 100 and 6 6 36 plus AP square. This total right LHS side, this total right RHS side. Now 36 plus AP square is equals to 100. Now this 36 right RHS side, AP square is equals to 100 minus plus quantity becomes minus 36, where AP square is equals to 100 minus 36 64, where AP is equals to square root of 64. Therefore AP is equals to 8 centimeters. See here, AP is equals to 8 centimeters. AP is equals to 8 centimeters. Therefore AP is equals to 8 centimeters means BP is equals to also 8 centimeters we will get. Why? Because AP and BP are two tangents from external point are equal. Hence we proved.